Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to open up and set up the MotorSport MX engine stand. Packed super well. It's got bubble wrap just thrown in there. Looks like we have, it's not really instructions, this tells us about it. That's everything. So, like I said, we really don't have any instructions. Take a look at how this came in. It appears that we got a couple little bends in it. Not the end of the world. I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, let's go ahead and worry about these little bends because we just got to mess with absolutely everything. So, I'm going to take my hammer and dolly set and straighten these out. There we go. Good as almost new. I'm going to guess that this goes right here. This goes right here. Our stand is going to slide down on those. And we've only got a few parts left, so we gotta figure out where they go now. This guy goes right here. And this one right here. Well, looks like I put it on backwards. I don't know if that's really going to make a difference or not, but I will match the picture. It looks like that's about it. We are on. Tray's in the bottom. Tray can catch oil as you take the motor apart. Here's you just flip that up and you're able to rotate the stand and it'll lock into position. The larger of the two takes an 18mm socket, a wrench, and the smaller takes a 14. Set up in this configuration, you want the back of the motor on the larger pin and the front of the motor on the smaller pin. Now with the motor all the way in, I'm past the end of the threads. So I'm going to want to adjust this bolt so the threads are tight up against that so I can actually tighten the motor down to it. So I'm just going to line this up over here and adjust my nut. So I know it'll work. What's nice about this setup is you can have the motor still attached even when you've got one of the case halves off. So right now we can pull the whole clutch assembly, water pump, all of that off. And once we separate the cases, if we want to keep this half, left half the case on here, we can just adjust this and tighten that down so it holds as well. Like I said, we can flip this motor around to make it easier to work on. I don't know why you'd want it this far, but we can go all the way upside down with it. Actually, I don't know if I can go all the way upside down. I feel like the spark plug will hit the cylinder head. But I would bet on a 125 this might actually work. Flip this up to release it. You don't want to do that when the motor's on there without supporting the motor, otherwise it'll flip around on you. If you have any questions about this stand or any trouble with it, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer for you or find out the answer for you. If you would, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out and I'd like to be able to show you some more videos in the future. Thanks. See ya. This stand is available at D&D Power Sports. Check the description for information on that.